Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hanging Out with me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, let's make some chicken stew that you're going to eat with some garlic because we do not eat chicken with rice. And with me here, I have my list of ingredients. And from this corner, I have my salt, I have my chicken spare parts, and I'll be coming back to this in a few. I have my coriander leaves, my tomatoes, I have some cooking oil, my list of spices. Today, I'm going with some chicken masala and some turmeric, and that's it. I also have some finely chopped onions, some tomato paste, my hoho or capsicum. I have some coriander stems, and I also have ginger. You can also add some garlic, but it seems like I ran out. And without further ado, let's get started. So we are going to keep this very simple. I'm going to start by adding in a tablespoon of cooking oil. Then once my cooking oil is hot enough, I'll go in with my onions. Then I'm going to set my onions for about a minute. Then once I'm happy with this, I'll go in with my chicken. So as I mentioned, I'm using the spare part, and that simply means the backbone, the neck, and I've also added one chicken breast. So you can check out on how you can dismantle a full chicken. I'm going to link the video at the end. I'll add in my ginger, and I'm also going to add in my turmeric, and this is just mainly for the color. Then we'll cover it. I'll go in with some little bit of water. Then I'm going to deglaze the pan. Then I'll let this continue cooking. At this point, I'll go in with my tomatoes. Also remember, broiler chicken doesn't take very long to cook. So at this point, I'll go in with my chicken masala. Then I'm also going to add my salt. Then I'll add in my coriander stems. And finally, I'm going to add in my tomato paste. Oh, and this looks yummy. So as I promised, we are making a stew today. Wow, and my chicken is almost ready at this point. So I'll go in with my capsicum. And look at this, guys. This looks so yummy. So by now my chicken is almost ready, and I'm going to go in with some hot water so that we can make the stew. Then I'm going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes or so that everything can come in together, and also so that my gravy can thicken up and it becomes a very nice stew. Oh, look at this. And this is what you call a stew, a chicken stew. So mine is ready and my chicken is also ready. So you need to cook this broiler chicken for about 15 to 20 minutes and it should be done. I'll go in with my remaining hoho. Then I'm going to garnish it with lots and lots of coriander. And time to switch off. Mix this a little bit and you can see how thick it is. Then this is ready to be plated. You can see how thick the stew is. Wow. The chicken is well done in the inside. This is so good. Things are getting messy in here. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you're going to try this very simple recipe, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I've served my ugali with some chicken and some terere, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.